Hey guys, Deronda here with Foods 101. Tomorrow is Thanksgiving and I'm giving you a heads up on how to make this no-bake pumpkin pie. Absolutely melt in your mouth, delicious. I'm going to show you how to do this in 3 easy steps. The ingredients you're going to need is a 9-inch pre-made Graham Cracker Pie Crust, or if you want to do it yourself, you be my guest. 1 cup of whole milk, 2 teaspoons of ground cinnamon, 1/2 teaspoon of ground nutmeg, 1 teaspoon of pumpkin pie spice, 1 8-ounce tub of Cool Whip, 1 3.4-ounce box of your instant vanilla pudding, 3 tablespoons of granulated sugar, 4 ounces of cream cheese at room temperature, and 1 cup of 100% pure pumpkin. Be sure you get the 100% pure pumpkin. For the bottom layer, we're going to cream together our cream cheese with our sugar with the hand mixer, beat until nice and creamy. Now when it's looking like this, we're going to come back with this 8-ounce tub of Cool Whip and we're going to mix in half. Rest we're going to save for the top. That looks great. That took about 1 minute. Back with that crust, we're going to add that cream cheese with whipped cream right here into the bottom. Coat the bottom and the sides. This will keep that graham cracker crust from getting soggy when we start adding our pumpkin filling, which is going to be our second layer. You can set this off to the side. For the second layer, we're adding that instant pudding mix with a 1 cup of milk chilled. Whisk until thickened. This took about 2 minutes. Add your 100% pure pumpkin. Be sure to get it all out of there. Don't leave any behind. Along with the cinnamon, the nutmeg, and your pumpkin pie spice. We're going to get in here and make sure we get these 5 ingredients well incorporated. If you can smell the cinnamon and the nutmeg, oh my gosh, it's beginning to smell a lot like Thanksgiving. The holidays are here. And this is a very simple and delicious dessert that everyone devours. This is our second layer. Back with the pie. Spoon in our second layer. I can tell it's gonna be so delicious. Spread it out to the side. For your third layer, we're gonna top with that remaining Cool Whip. Spread it around the edge. I like to let the pumpkin show through so you can kind of tell what it is. This is your easy, no-bake, 3-layer pumpkin pie. Cover and chill in the refrigerator for up to 1 hour or overnight. It was hard to wait to cut into this no-bake pumpkin pie. Sprinkle a little spices on the top and around the plate. Make it very festive. We gotta go in here and give it a try. Look at those layers. The graham cracker crust, that cream cheese, the pumpkin filling, and the whipped cream on top. You will not be disappointed in this 3-layer, no-bake pumpkin pie. Delicious! I'm Deronda with Foods 101. Give me thumbs up, leave me a comment, hit that notification bell to be the first to get my new YouTube food videos. Thanks a million for watching, y'all. Have a happy and safe Thanksgiving, and I'll catch you lovely people later.